Vibes Cartel teach you know how to get rich. Spiritually and physically, and also other celebrity them.
Vibes Kartel spiritual teaching.
Say, them change with the full moon. Right they say my teacher say full moon is a spiritual transit will help you to see through people intention, where people really wish for you and where you really wish for them. Full moon bring out people through intention. That's why you see some people get half full moon because what? They end up see through things, they third eye activate and they see through things and get mad pan people because everything can pile up. Next, you ever hear he say, transcend in a dimension, me there with me ancestors. When you hear artists sing, why you never go look up how to transcend into dimension? That I first part, I beginning of your enlightenment towards riches when you move through dimension. Transcending a dimension, you move through dimension, straight to a 5D, higher dimension. You understand? And the next one, you ever see certain TikToker in a special clothes that is called spiritual frequency. Certain man wear a white shirt or a brown shirt, or some people might wear certain color. You wonder say, when have on that the color they do? You see me I say sometimes you see them come out in a orange or pink color frequency. Depends on the kind of color where you mix, where you can mix to get your aura reflection. That's why Andrew Holness cannot lose the election and will always be the winning prime minister as long as they allow him to sit and run, because his aura is green. It reflects the color where they represent. So it's very strong. So he cannot lose. That is a very magnetic pull. You understand? So if you have, that's why PMP know it. Because what? Them probably are putting somebody where have a blue aura, and if you mix him aura blue with probably purple or one of them color there, me don't know a color sequence because me only know my special color. You can't get orange. So them are use the color where you can mix to get orange. They now select somebody with an orange aura so they can control the seed. You understand? So that is the power and knowledge of where them been a teacher in a day song. So watch back the whole movie them and listen back the music them, because them a teach you something special, such as the song where say young and wild and free. That's how it's supposed to be. Them a teach you something how them become famous. Them a show you a code. Say the chain take off of your foot from physical slavery and then put the chain in your brain, mental slavery. You understand? Yeah, that's why Mota Baruka also a next point. That's why you see Mota Baruka walk barefoot to connect to the earth. And Mota Baruka can tell you more things about this earth and dimension and spirit more than everybody else in this world. So, spirituality is real. So when you come and you judge certain things, you have to go search up how to transcend into dimension, how to travel through dimension first. And check out why Spice always have on in blue color, or certain people wear certain color. You understand color frequency. It can protect you, help you to raise your vibration. Everybody have a lucky color and a lucky number. Some people say the number on Vibes Cartel head is a devil number. And your life path number, you understand? Certain things are good to this universe will lead to freedom and riches. But you will understand them. Just watch it all Western them. Watch it all Kung Fu movie them. They have a lot of things to teach you. You understand? And everything in that movie them go just the way how you see it. Just like how you see them slave out the man them pan the gold mine. You understand? So cracking the code of these master teacher are one of the things where you need to do. Listen to their song and not just feel like you're bad out of it. But learn what them a teacher say. Because them a sing, we wouldn't call it ego, but them a sing from an ego point, a power tap. To show you how them crack it code. Rich people not too like talk, because they don't want everybody can run them down and ask them questions. But they don't know how to free you or how to free themselves. They're very powerful. So be wise, be discerning, because if we ain't powerful, the crowd couldn't attract to it. So we must know something what you don't know, right? Must be. So it starts with transcending through dimension, moving through dimension. And silence and cleansiness are what I beginning when I always tell you. So just listen back some of the artists and some secret good night. Don't know say them a devil. Just try to go realize where them a try to teach you say and where them a try to show you. You understand? And that